The out of Africa theory has long been the dominant narrative of human origins. It suggests that modern humans evolved solely in Africa and then migrated to other parts of the world. This theory, while widely accepted, leaves many unanswered questions. Recent archaeological and genetic discoveries are challenging this traditional view. Could our history be more complex and mysterious than we once thought? The discovery of ancient hominid remains in various corners of the globe has ignited debate among scientists. These findings suggest the possibility of multiple human origins, or at the very least, a much earlier dispersal of hominids than previously believed. Could humans have migrated out of Africa much earlier than currently estimated? The conventional timeline of human migration may need revision. The discovery of artifacts and human remains in unexpected locations points towards a more intricate story. These findings challenge the accepted narrative and suggest that our ancestors were more adventurous than we give them credit for. The out of Africa theory, while providing a framework, may not encompass the full complexity of human origins. The expanding field of archaeology continues to unearth new evidence. This new evidence is forcing us to reconsider our understanding of the past. The journey of humanity is a puzzle with missing pieces, waiting to be discovered.
Advancements in genetic analysis have revolutionized our understanding of human ancestry. DNA studies have revealed surprising connections between seemingly disparate populations. One such revelation is the presence of Denisovan and Neanderthal DNA in modern human genomes. The Denisovans, an extinct hominid species, were only discovered in 2010. Despite limited fossil evidence, their genetic legacy is significant. Traces of Denisovan DNA are found in populations across Asia and Oceania, indicating interbreeding with modern humans. Similarly, Neanderthal DNA is present in most modern human populations outside of Africa. This suggests that interbreeding between different hominid species was not uncommon in our evolutionary past. These genetic discoveries challenge the notion of a linear human evolution. These findings paint a picture of a more complex and interconnected human family tree. The story of human origins is not a simple narrative of one species replacing another. It's a tale of interaction, interbreeding, and the merging of different lineages.
The Paracas culture of ancient Peru presents a compelling case for reconsidering our understanding of human origins. Their story is one of mystery and intrigue, drawing us into a world that existed thousands of years ago. Flourishing on the southern coast of Peru between 800 BCE and 100 CE, the Paracas left behind a legacy of intricate textiles and sophisticated pottery. These artifacts showcase their advanced skills and deep cultural heritage, providing a glimpse into their daily lives and artistic expressions. However, it is their skeletal remains that have captivated the attention of researchers and fueled speculation about their origins. The discovery of these remains has opened up new avenues of inquiry and debate among scientists and historians alike. The Paracas people exhibited cranial features that set them apart from other ancient populations. Their skulls were not just elongated, but also displayed unique structural characteristics that have puzzled experts for decades. Their skulls were significantly elongated, a characteristic not found in neighboring tribes or attributed to artificial cranial deformation. This distinct feature has led to numerous theories about their origins and the possible reasons behind such an unusual trait. This anomaly has led some researchers to propose that the Paracas may represent a distinct branch of humanity. The idea that they could be a separate lineage entirely adds a fascinating layer to our understanding of human evolution. The elongated skulls of the Paracas have been the subject of much debate. Scholars and enthusiasts alike have weighed in, each bringing their own perspectives and interpretations to the table. While some argue that cranial deformation practices could have contributed to this unusual feature, others believe it to be a naturally occurring trait. The debate continues as new evidence and theories emerge, each adding to the complexity of the Paracas Enigma. The sheer number of elongated skulls found at Paracas sites, coupled with their distinct shape, has led some researchers to consider the possibility of genetic isolation or even ancient genetic engineering. These theories, while controversial, highlight the lengths to which scientists will go to explain these mysterious findings. The Paracas skulls remain an enigma, challenging conventional explanations and prompting further investigation into their origins. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding, yet also reveals how much we still have to learn. Were the Paracas the result of unique evolutionary processes? Could their distinct features be a clue to a different path of human development that we have yet to fully comprehend? Could they be evidence of an unknown hominid species? Or perhaps even contact with beings from another world? These questions push the boundaries of our current knowledge and invite us to explore the possibilities beyond our conventional understanding. The jury is still out, but the Paracas skulls continue to intrigue and fuel our collective fascination with the mysteries of the past. As we delve deeper into their story, we are reminded of the vast and often enigmatic tapestry of human history.
Section 4. The Paracas skulls. Evidence of genetic engineering? The elongated skulls of the Paracas people have ignited a firestorm of speculation, particularly among those who entertain the possibility of ancient civilizations possessing advanced technologies. These skulls, with their strikingly unusual shapes, have become a focal point for debates that bridge the realms of archaeology, anthropology, and even fringe science. Some researchers, pointing to the extreme elongation and unusual cranial features, have proposed that the Paracas skulls could be evidence of ancient genetic engineering. This theory suggests that the Paracas people might have had access to advanced knowledge that allowed them to alter their own biology in ways we are only beginning to understand. While mainstream science often shies away from such fringe theories, the Paracas skulls present a compelling case for further investigation. The scientific community remains divided, with some calling for more rigorous studies and others dismissing the idea as mere speculation. The sheer number of elongated skulls, combined with the fact that cranial deformation practices typically employed by ancient cultures do not fully explain the extreme elongation observed in the Paracas skulls, leaves room for alternative explanations. Traditional methods of cranial deformation, such as binding, usually result in a different shape and do not account for the increased cranial volume seen in these skulls. Proponents of the genetic engineering hypothesis point to the unusual cranial volume of the Paracas skulls, which is significantly larger than that of modern humans. This increased volume suggests that the Paracas people might have had a different brain structure or capacity, potentially hinting at a higher level of cognitive function or other unknown abilities. They argue that such a dramatic alteration in skull shape and size could not have been achieved through artificial cranial deformation alone. The precision and consistency of these features across multiple skulls suggest a more sophisticated method at play. Could the Paracas have possessed a sophisticated understanding of genetics, allowing them to manipulate their own DNA or that of their offspring? This question opens up a realm of possibilities about the extent of their knowledge and technological capabilities. While the genetic engineering hypothesis remains highly speculative, it highlights the need for a more thorough examination of the Paracas skulls. Advanced techniques in DNA analysis and imaging could provide new insights into these ancient people and their practices. Could these skulls hold the key to unlocking a hidden chapter in human history, one that challenges our current understanding of ancient civilizations and their capabilities? The potential implications of such a discovery are profound, suggesting that our ancestors might have been far more advanced than we currently believe. The answer, for now, remains elusive. As we continue to explore and study these enigmatic skulls, we may one day uncover the truth behind their origins and the true extent of the Paracas people's knowledge and abilities.
Section 5. The Denisovan Giants, a Siberian Enigma. High in the Altai Mountains of Siberia, a cave named Denisova holds secrets to a lost chapter in human history. This remote and rugged landscape has been a silent witness to the lives of ancient beings who once roamed its terrain. It was here in 2010 that scientists unearthed fragments of bone belonging to a previously unknown hominid species, the Denisovans. These discoveries have since sparked a wave of curiosity and research as scientists strive to piece together the story of these mysterious ancestors. Genetic analysis revealed that the Denisovans were a distinct lineage of archaic humans, more closely related to Neanderthals than to us. This revelation has opened new avenues in the study of human evolution, providing insights into the complex web of our ancestry. While fossil evidence of Denisovans remains scarce, their genetic legacy is widespread. The few remains we have found are precious clues, each one adding a piece to the puzzle of our shared past. Studies have shown that Denisovans interbred with modern humans, leaving their genetic mark on populations across Asia, Oceania, and the Americas. This interbreeding has had lasting impacts, influencing the genetic makeup of millions of people today. Intriguingly, some Denisovan genes are associated with adaptations to high-altitude environments, suggesting that these ancient humans were remarkably adaptable. This adaptability may have allowed them to thrive in diverse and challenging environments. Adding to the mystery surrounding the Denisovans are tantalizing hints of their possible size and strength. These clues have led to fascinating theories about their physical capabilities and how they might have lived. Some researchers have speculated that Denisovans may have been significantly larger than modern humans, earning them the moniker Denisovan Giants. This speculation is based on the discovery of unusually large molars and finger bones at Denisovan sites. This speculation stems from the discovery of unusually large molars and finger bones at Denisovan sites. These findings suggest that Denisovans might have possessed physical traits that set them apart from other hominids. The Denisovans remain an enigma, their true appearance and capabilities shrouded in the mists of time. Despite our advances in technology and research, much about them remains unknown. As we delve deeper into their genetic legacy, we uncover more questions than answers. Each discovery seems to open new mysteries, challenging our understanding of human evolution. Who were these enigmatic beings? What did they look like and how did they live their daily lives? What role did they play in the tapestry of human evolution? Their interactions with other hominid species and their contributions to our genetic heritage are subjects of ongoing research. And could they hold the key to understanding some of the more perplexing aspects of our own species? The Denisovans continue to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike as we strive to uncover the secrets of our ancient past.